video, I will be showing you some tips and tricks. So the first tip is low power mode. So first, to turn on low power mode, go to settings. Now search up for low power mode. And now you just have to toggle it. Low power mode allows you to save battery, which is very convenient. Low power mode only works on iOS 15. Tip number 2 is focus. To turn on focus, go to settings. Search up for focus. So focus basically helps you focus and avoids distracting notifications like YouTube notifications, text messages and etc. If you want, you can remove or add apps that should be avoided while you are focusing. You can also find focus on your control center. The third tip is how to take a screenshot of a full page. This tip allows you to take a screenshot of a full page. So after taking a screenshot, click on full page and save it. Tip number 4 is control center. If you go to settings and click on control center, you will be able to add a lot of features to your control center, which is very convenient. So I recommend you guys to do this. Tip number 5 is back tap. So if you go to settings and click on accessibility and scroll all the way down, you will see something called back tap. So you can customize it however you want. You can set a back tap as a screenshot, touch or anything possible. So it was as easy as that. Thanks for sticking till the end. Please subscribe and see you guys in the next one.